get a video of Rick bad hunting first. Because this is not fucking... This is not staged, folks. Let me tell you.
This is real life here.
This is the real deal.
He's come out into that hole. Attack me.
If he comes flying back at me, you're dead. Are you not touching him? Oh, he's touching my hand!
Oh.
He's touching my hand! Oh, he just touched my hand. He might even be on the glove.
Oh.
Oh.
He's... Oh.